Hunter Biden's legal team. Judge. Delaware. The case. On Wednesday, former President Donald Trump and several former Trump administration officials brought to court. Biden's lawyer Abby Lowell argues that the investigation into the president's son emerged only because of constant, inappropriate and partisan pressure. He's looking for subpoena. The first investigation was born of Mr. Biden's taxes and a wider investigation. Foreign business agreements. Reading demand. Public reporting reveals some examples that proposes the uninterrupted, inappropriate and partisan pressure applied to Messrs. Rosen, Donahue and Barr on the investigation of Mr. Biden by President Trump. Mr. Biden is looking for special information from 3 former DOJ officials and former president, who went to heart of his defense. A rightful or selective prosecution that began in last administration, starting from print campaign that began by violating last management and TNUD. Trump's legal team has not yet responded to Biden's movement. He is faced with false statement in buying firearm. Another. Federal fiery weapons makes false statement about the information that should be kept by licensed dealer. To have firearms by person who is dependent on matter. This summer Biden accepted to be guilty of tax charges and stayed away from trouble for 2 years. He would avoid prosecution in gun charges. However, after asking a few questions about a judge regulation, the agreement was disintegrated. In meantime, Republican Assembly Congress. Hunter Biden's business agreements and father. In midst political turmoil, middle of political turmoil to be re-elected to his father Biden as a part an objection investigation is looking for a connection. Read Biden's court Selby request against Trump application users.